Racing is my life. Racing is the very essence of who I am. And I'm really happy that HPE have come on board.
The role of technology has grown and has become crucially important today, and everything is being supported by data. 95% of Formula One racing and the performance side is data-driven. Hewlett Packard Enterprise is a case study how we would like to partner up.
We always want to partner with people who are innovating, always wanting to push the envelope, always wanting to discover something new and push the boundaries of technology. So that's why we've partnered with HPE.
We are so passionate about our sport that you have embedded two guys within our team that bring us so much more expertise.
We're chasing the clock. That's what we do.
The biggest challenge in processing data is that we are generating a few hundred channels whilst driving the car.
The faster the computers are able to churn that information that's extracted from the car, the faster I can make the alterations in my mind and get out there and do the job. There are multiple different ways of setting up the car, so simulations are very, very key. Usually it takes 3 days to get the right equation. So HPE have come in and brought new technology which has now enabled the engineers to do it within 1 day.
During a regular season, we improved the performance of the car by about 2 seconds. So you can say that it's about a tenth a race.
To be a multiple world champion, particularly in our sport, it's all about teamwork. There's no point in partnering with people who don't want to be the best, because that's why we exist, to be the best.
The partnership with Hewlett Packard Enterprise really helps us in our digital transformation. It helps us to take better and faster decisions and eventually be more competitive.